I'm not late, you're late. Ever thought about that? Bum ba bum 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 bum. Okay. I had Sonic. But now I gotta drink this big lemonade. Okay. Yeah. Let's do this. Okay, I have a notepad. Go over goals of the stream. I didn't get slush. No, I got lemonade. Welcome, Tyler. I appreciate it. Drive safe. Goals for the stream. Okay. Goals. I can't type, which is not a good start. Goals. I really only have one goal. I want to make Hermes Portal World, or Portal Room. And connect 2 levels. As of right now, one and done. As of right now, Poseidon's the only level that I have done. And by done, I mean I did the tile map where I haven't added enemies or anything like that. But I do have Poseidon's Portal Room done. So that's cool. We love that. Now, when it comes to the other ones, I want to make Hermes Portal Room. There's a door that I have from this that I'm going to put in Photoshop. That's going to be kind of my base for a door. I guess I could just show you guys that. So I have, this door right here. Right here. I guess I could show you on the bigger portion too. This little door, right? And it has these symbols on it, but I can go edit that in Photoshop later and stuff like that. But for now, because I'm eventually just gonna get like custom assets made, right? I like this tile set, but for the door, right, I'll get a door that has like a trident on it or a lightning bolt, stuff like that. But for right now, I think I will take these 2 assets, put them into Photoshop. Like, I'll just take this whole thing, put it into Photoshop. I don't know about the whole thing, but for sure I'll take these doors and change the color depending on the person and just kind of get that room looking all right. So I do have a different. I'm actually just thinking maybe I don't have stuff for Hermes room. I guess Portal Room. I definitely do not. That's future problem. I'll just temporarily put like these blocks, right? No, one of these has to have all of it. There it is. Put these blocks as the floor there, and then put the doors and go like that. So that's the game plan. And if I can't figure that out, which would be very tough, Guten Tag, Sean, which would be very tough, is or work on options menu. Mostly because this has always been the alternative, and I'm going to keep the luck going that I've never had to switch to this alternative. Never had to. I'm going to keep going today. But that's what we're working with. That's what we got going today. Okay, so let's walk through this level real quick. There are some things I need to do in this game still, right? Like, I also want to change. So right now I just have it set so I have like a stationary picture in the background, right? Like, but I think I'm gonna put a parallax background on there, and that's so I can find something I like. Eventually, I haven't added functionality like I could drop down here and not die, right? Also, this is as far as I can run that way. I need to figure out right now the pivot. Oh, thank you. The pivot for the character is off-centered, so like the capsule component that hits. Can you work on the full path transition option for the light? For the lighting? The game is not loading. I'm not just standing still. What are you saying? Can you guys not see the game? I have my stream up on like my laptop to the side, and I'm moving. Okay, I was like, what? Yeah. Okay, can you work on full path tracing option for the lighting? I don't know what you mean. I guess is my question. But it's just like the little level, so going right, boom. Eventually, the spikes will kill me. There'll be enemies on it. Oh, hooah. Yeah, so I just have this little. And that's the level, right? But you'd be fighting enemies between, so each level should take a few minutes. Probably not too long. Not too long. Not at all. I do need to, so tile map. I'm going to make a tile map for Hermes room. That's what I need to do. Hermes portal room. TM. Before I put that in there, let's close some of these because I just don't need. That should be fine. Oh, I should have kept that. That's the tiles I need. So this that I can get rid of. Should be pretty good to go. Here, let's grab these. I do want to make it so that this as a box so I can stand on it. Okay, cool. These are 32 by 32. To accept follow requests from some what? That's 30 mutuals on Insta. I don't see why not. I guess is my answer to you, buddy. Height. Should have kept the height, the other one. Height, let's go 30. I can't imagine. Yeah, it definitely does not need to be that tall, but let's go 30. Map width. Let's go 30 as well. I'm gonna need more, but for now, I just want to paint it this way. I do want to see. I just want to see how high up. What's the height of 30? Okay. How high up because I know standing on these, I can be. It's 25. 20, yeah, so row 26 I can stand on, or 24 I can stand on, be good. Boom. This is not going to look great at first, and I know that. But I'm basically just doing it so I want functionality today, is what I want. I want to go in here, I want 12 doors, and I want the Poseidon door to take me to Poseidon's level. That's what I want. And that's it. Nothing more, nothing less. I am definitely going to have to make it longer, but I also think I want to layer some of this. Because I need to keep it on the side. I think it's... I know 23 works. I don't know if I need 23, right? So let's go width. Okay, let's go... So I know this works as the first door. I know that works. I should have put that on a separate thing, but it's fine. Like a separate... Because like now when I just take this, right, it's just going to cover it up. And that's not the move. Alright, boom. So I want... Add a new layer. I don't think it's the one above. Right, and then I want to drop it. Okay. And then, boom. It's the game plan. And just have... I should go make these doors real quick, right? Because this is a decent color for Poseidon's door, right? I'm not mad at it. I'd probably try to like give it more green accents, but this isn't the final art, so let's go ahead and do this really quick. I don't need them to be too far from each other. So what I'm thinking is like this. Right? Far enough away that I can for sure differentiate. That's 7. I don't need this one. Then we got boom. I want 6 in between. So 2, 4, 2, 4, 6. Oh, I think I have... Well, make sure I do this on the right layer. It almost screwed me last time. Oh my god. Oh, I did 199. That's just so much. I only need 23 after this, so 73. I'll put walls and stuff. Like, it'll be more decorated and such, but as of right now, this is... should be good enough. Like, each one of these doors will have a... I didn't switch layers, did I? I did in fact not switch layers. Okay. Six on each side, right? So I'm thinking Zeus, Poseidon, Hades. And then Zeus, I guess, Hera. So Zeus, Hera, Poseidon, Hades, and just have them go thing. I don't know if it really makes sense to have Hera have her on her own thing, because she's, you know, the goddess of marriage and stuff, so she'd be with Zeus, theoretically. But we're going to give her own throne room, just because. And then I want an invisible wall. I messed up my other map by accidentally putting... Hello? By putting this one tile right here everywhere. And it was not great. And just go boom. Oh, you see I did it again there too. Okay. I should be fine. These are just, I have it as a collision, just so I can't do anything, right? And then what I'm going to do, I'm gonna have to branch so much. That's fun. Yeah, I just have to branch, which is okay, right? For when I'm deciding like what door I'm in front of, like differentiating there. I'm gonna leave this at like this for now, just because I'm just working on function. I think what I'm gonna do is make sure I can get this one to take me to no, this one. Zeus, Poseidon, Hera, Hades. Yeah, so this one to take me to the level for Poseidon, and then I'll work on art maybe the rest of the stream. It shouldn't take too long, so we'll see if I can get another level done maybe. I don't know. We're gonna play it by ear on what all we have to do here. But first what I need to make a new level. And it's gonna be Hermes Portal Room. And so basically, in my head, you're gonna be teleported to this room after the tutorial. Like it'll just be a quick tutorial, like, hey, this is how you swing, this is how you shoot your either like dart or lightning or whatever. Jump left, right. That's a very basic tutorial when you first start a new game that you do. You can skip through whatever, right? And then you're gonna be teleported to Hermes. Like there's gonna be some dialogue, like, hey, you're gonna be teleported to Hermes Portal Room. That's kind of what I'm thinking. I think I could just plop that in, hit it with a 0, 0, 0, and then have a place actor, player start. Need this to be a 0. And I just click on this and boom. Cool. Very simple. Very easy. I do need to borrow some code from any of the other levels just to get this controller. And then I can set the background, but I will change this background actually. Hermes level. There we go. Blueprint. Big fan of borrowing code. It's also a big thing here. It's been nice to be able to just borrow nodes, because most are just the same for each level. Load in, don't take the and don't take that. I should be able to load into this and not fall through the floor. And we are going to try that by going to save select, because I just want. Let's try with Zeus. This is Zeus, right? Yeah. Why are there two? Okay, I don't know why there are two, but we're gonna just pretend like that's not a thing right now. Here, easy, right? I can move. We're gonna be able to, and like 2 tiles, we're not gonna be able to move anymore. Easy. And this will be like the central hub. So like, in my head, I guess maybe these 4 doors will be locked, but for sure these 3 doors will be locked. Can't get into them until you go through a different door, get a certain weapon, then you can go into these 3 doors. That's the game plan. No. Oh, you're saying no to chase? Yeah. Oh, what I should do, what I need to do here is Hermes room. I want this, not the tile map. Also, don't care for this right now. Don't need this right now. So just like that will keep up. Here, though, I need to get the positions of all these. And there's a certain way I'm going to do it. Might not be the best, but it's going to be what we do nonetheless. Event tick. Get pawn. Get location. Get location. Get actual location. Print. Print string. And then this will just keep printing my location. And then this way I can stand over it and jot them down really quick. It's probably my... And so right now that's how I am attempting to do all of this. It's just going to keep printing. I'm going to go stand dang near in the middle. Okay. I'm not in the middle. Go stand here. And I'm just writing this down. So I need 1648. And then negative 721. And then 0, I guess. Okay. Now, the width of this should be 64. Right? Because of, like, the tile map, that the width should be 64. So if I go to Hermes Portal Room, what I should be able to do, blueprint. Get rid of this. I should be able to, actually I'm gonna go borrow some code. Time to borrow code. This testing map. This. Should be able to just take all of it, actually. Why is this? I'm so confused. Okay, I don't know. I had one there, I guess, and I just wasn't using it. Why are you know, you're not part of that. Okay. And then, what are you? I think it's Sprite. Is that what it was grabbing? Oh, that was the player start. That's definitely not it. That was the player start. Player pawn. Player start. I guess we'll see how that goes. I don't want to mess this up somehow. Not the game state. It's not gonna be in there. I don't know where that was from. I don't know if this is going to work. But let's just test this out for a second. Okay. That's 1648, 0, 721, and then this, since it is, I'm just going to do 62, right, since we know that's how long it is, and then this should take me, yes, to that. Okay. I don't know if that's going to break, I'm not going to lie. It did not break. Yeah, easy. See? Now I want to get that to take me back. Like I want to do the exact same thing, but over here. It take me back, you know what I mean? So let's do that. I need to change the name of this too, but that's future problem. This can go away. Get player character. Again, not really sure what that's doing. I never got the location for this. Oh, I guess I don't even need to because I have. Yeah, what's your location? 785 and negative 540. 785, negative 540, and then again 62, and then that should work. Save. We're already 500. We go back to. We should be able to just keep flopping in between. That's my hope for right now. We go here, close enough. We come back, E. Oh, because I have it. I was like, that's not right, but blueprint. I never changed this. I want this to take me to Hermes Portal Room. And we start. Bop, bop. Close enough. Cool. I don't like how close that was, to be honest with you. So maybe I'd lower that a little bit. So make maybe a 32 kind of thing. Because that just seems like pretty. I can access. I guess E is not used for anything else, but I don't want it to have an overlap with the others. So I'm just going to do 32 on all of those when I do that. You know what I mean? Also, 62 is not even the right number. It should have been 64 if I was doing it the way I was saying, but that's fine. I really want to see if I can change that name now. Before, it was kind of screwing me with that name. Like, I couldn't get it to work. So let's try this. Rename. Poseidon Path. There is no location for Poseidon. There's just not. It does not exist. Poseidon level. Sure. Everything else should be updating. Like, should automatically update. So let's go here and double check that it did. Poseidon level, cool. And so basically I need to make, let's go back to this blueprint. Basically in this, I'm going to have to branch this for each one, right? Which is not going to be fun, but it is what it is. Because I can't imagine. I mean, I guess what I could do is I could have an event. No, I'm not doing that. I was gonna say I could have an event tick that checks it and like constantly checks my location and does that. But I'm just, hard pass on that. Hard pass on that. So let's make sure everything's right with the world here. It should be. See, like I don't want to be here and be able to click it. Yeah, see, that's good. Here I'd be okay with. Perfect. And then here, I did change it, yeah. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And then have the world. That we gotta fix that. Because like you can see on this side, like I'm floating. Right, but this side I'm not. It's because the pill is not changing, but this is. Like, but that is rotating. Okay. Let's make... I'm cool with this for now. I'll probably make it more like a seafoam green. But I'm okay with this look for right now. I do want to... Dude, that took a lot less time than I thought it would, but... Yeah, we're chilling. We love that. I need to set this for all the players, actually. So let's go ahead and... Hermes Portal Room. Hermes Portal Room. I also need test saving. It should work. I can't imagine it won't. I guess I haven't not tried that at all with messing with these new levels. I'm gonna go stand over here. Boop. Save game. Stand over here. Load game. Cool. Let's do it in here. Okay. That's a problem. That is actually, it's the thing that I was talking about. Okay. Testing map. There is a difference in the code. It's this. I think. No, because the saving should have... Okay, wait, let's look up pause menu. I'm getting player position. I just have it in here, but I don't see it in here at all. Do I have it in the other map too? No. So going back and forth between these maps worked, but again, I think it's this. Because it's after saving. I need to get this. And I think what I do is... Oh my god, there is a way to... I need some from here, I think. Poseidon. I don't think it's this. I think it's... Why don't I see the stuff up here anymore? Yeah, it's this. Compile that, and I need to do that in the Hermes one too. Okay. That works. Now everything should be fine there. That should have fixed the problem. Because the problem persists when I go here, come all the way over here, I save, cool, but then when I restart, no, that's not right. Oh, I clicked a new game, load journey, okay, cool. Now when I walk in here, I should be at the, no, okay. That's not correct. Why? Because that's putting me almost dead center in the other one. Do I have it from the others? Maybe I cop it here. I need to get... So why is it working on the others is the question. Like, why is it working between these maps? What's the difference? Maybe I'm not, because maybe this position, like this right here, needs to be changed too. Maybe that's what's happening. No, that's the same thing. Why are you not working? So we have same game instance. Okay, let's test. Let's look at here. Because the player starts are significantly different. I guess not significantly different, but they're different nonetheless. From persistent level. Did I set at least to 1? Is that what's happening? Is they're not set to 1 on this? They are. What is the problem? Stores are referenced after the level. I don't know. Okay, pause menu. What's going on here? Okay, save select. Everything else, it seems to be it's just normal. I don't really know why it's putting me. Okay, let me try going in here, saving here. Okay. Yeah, see, it puts me there on that respective level. It should put me back at that door. Right? So, what I could do is, I know where these doors are, right? And so instead of doing set the location this way, I put the player position at that door. You know what I mean? So for the Hermes door, I want to go to 1648 negative 721. Compile, because those doors are always going to be specifically where I want to exit and enter. I guess I should look at 785 negative 540. 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 Then this should work. I don't know if this is the right way to be doing this, but I don't hate it. New journey. We come here. Cool. Save here. Play. Load journey. Then either way we should be put. Cool. Okay, now what if I'm saving over here? Play, load. Over here. I walk through and I'm in the right spot. Okay, that's the way to do it. And I guess that it doesn't really change much on what I'm doing, right? Because I'm going to have to be going through each one of them individually anyway, like branching, and then just have them being set to a different thing, which is fine. That technically works, right? Let me make sure. Boop. Nothing else should change with the other one, so save. And definitely just saving should have put me in the wrong spot if it's... That's not right. Play. Load. So why didn't it put me there in the first time? Like on the new save. What? Okay. That doesn't really make sense. See, this should just be putting me at this location, regardless. And that's not the location to put me at. This should be regardless of the save. Guess let me try with it. Maybe that was just... No, everything should be right. New journey. Boop, boop. Why am I back here? Okay, boop. Let me run around. Boop. Hello? Okay. Why? Why am I hitting middle? Like, there's just no reason for me to be hitting middle. Everything else, go here, I save, play, load game, I'm here, and I walk back through, and then I'm in the right spot? What? I go in, I come back. So saving it does something. But what does it do? Why does that give... Why does that work? I know I'm giving... But this transformed isn't part of me going back through. Like, the save shouldn't matter. at all. So why is it changing the way that door acts? What is happening? Swings. It has no reason to not. Is it something to do with setting the new... The new game shouldn't matter. Like, that's not part of it. I don't think. Yeah, it doesn't matter if it's a new game or not. Right? Yeah, nothing about this is based on it being a new game. I have no idea. That's a future problem. Let's get... yeah, it's a future problem. I don't really know. Let's get a bright yellow door for Zeus. Maybe a dark purple for Hades. Possibly. I mean... I can't imagine not, like, that not being the color code I end up doing. I guess, what color code do I have for the lady? Like, the actual character. Why is Adobe not? Okay, here we go. Let me go over here with it for a second. Full templates. Okay, I'm sorry, I just gotta grab. Gotta grab these. Oh, I lost them. I lost Photoshop. There we go. Okay. I really just want those two things. It's been so long since I've done this quick select. No, that's way too big. I don't want this. Go away. Okay, maybe I do need to go a little bit more zoomed. I just want... I hate that they put it this close. Can I do this? Darn it. Okay, let's do this. I don't want quick select, object selection. I don't want just the middle. Oh. I guess I have a... No, screw it. I have a different idea. It's about as fuzzy as it gets. I'm just gonna... Okay. This is not going to look nearly as good as I intended it to. Yeah, I'm just not going to do it like this. Fuzziness is way too much. Yeah. I want to do this similarly. I could just go through like with a brush, but I don't really want to. I'm not going to lie. What? How does it know that this is an object? And some of these aren't. Okay. That was not going to happen today. I'm going to just slap a yellow brush over it. I wanted just to like grab it. But I could just do that a different time. I'll just go pixel by pixel and replace each one of these colors kind of thing. Like I did with the lady. Okay. So this is Poseidon's. I'm trying to think. So portal room goes. I could just get some banners and put them on there and think of it like that. I'm just looking for something really quick. Which one of these do I want? Because eventually I'll get the doors to look better. And then above each, have like ribbon in their symbol. You know? Do about that. Okay. Let's do it this then. We got Hermes going. Let's double check that they're all going to Hermes and that they're working. I don't understand why it's doing not what it's supposed to. Like here. I don't understand that at all. That's really all it should do, is just do the exact same thing. But instead, we don't get to do that. So I guess we can just run our way through, and then we can work on Poseidon's throne room. Because when we get to the end here, I want to walk into the throne room. Let's do that. Let's do that. Poseidon level. Tile. Let's make a new level first. Poseidon throne. Okay, I want it to be about the same kind of size. Good Toshan. I made it 30 tall. Just erase all this. I could put some of those bridges. Like I like these bridges, but I think I want this Guntog Chasey Wasey. I like this tile set. So let's open this. Because I need to make this clientele. I need to box on that. Don't need boxes on that. Let's put a box on this. I might just throw some of these in, you know, so might as well just throw boxes on most of these. For the flooring. Kind of like the dark turquoise. Okay. So we'll do that. Probably not that. Send refresh maps. Okay, throne room. 24 is how high we need to go. Might need to go a bit long. Let's just copy this. How long is this? 96 by 30. 96. Okay. And then 24. This isn't going to be the whole thing. Like I'm going to mess with it a bit, but I'm just going to fill it in with this. Boom, boom. Okay. Fill. Okay, now. See, I wish I had a darker version of this door, because I put it there too. How far over is this? $21. Because I don't want them to be able to see, right? So, like the edge of the map. So the way I've been doing that is taking this. Did I say 21? Yeah, it's 21. And just putting these up there. And then the other one is at 74. These are just invisible blocks, so I can keep from seeing over the edge. Is basically the only reason for that. I like these blocks every now and then. Can't imagine they'll see farther than that. But if they do. It's actually pretty dead on almost. The middle. Almost straight dead on the middle. Okay. And then what other tile? Let's go. I did them wrong. What if I just went boom, 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 boom? Could have did it this way. This would be here. Okay. That should be as far as they can see, but I guess I'll do it just in case. Okay. Save. Do I want anything else? I don't hate that as the initial floor thing. I need to put the door. Grab this. Add a new layer. So this is 21 should not be empty. Hold on. Why is this empty? Am I crazy? Did I just not place these blocks? I'd bet my life I placed those blocks. 21 and 74, right? Yeah. I actually placed these blocks. Okay, save. It's like Control Z something, like... Okay, it's not empty, cool. Oh, because I'm on a different layer. Oh, I'm so stupid. I don't want to talk about it. I do not want to talk about it. I should probably just leave this door open. Right? Yeah, I don't think there should be a door there, actually. So I'm gonna just get rid of this layer. Okay. Oh, that's embarrassing. Boom. Boom, boom. Boom. Okay. Now that is where I want my players start, and this is going to be the size of the room. So I just wanted to work on the functionality of getting to the room really quick. And then I will focus more on the decorating. Zero, zero, zero. Player start. Zero. Okay, there should be nothing stopping this room from working. The first try. The first time. That's it. Nothing to stop this room from working the first time. Let me grab just basically this stuff. I'll need another one of those. But I want this is what I'm looking for. Control C. I wish if it, like, I have the blueprint up, right? So I really wish it would just automatically do that. Okay. So that's where I am. Should be able to just teleport in. I don't need to do anything else. I need to teleport in. So, I need to get this location. Okay. Now, should go here. I need to find this location. So, but first we can add the blueprint. We can just basically do this blueprint again. Control C, Control V. Except for, see, I don't need to add this whole blueprint again. I don't. I just need this. This is going to be a branch. Basically, if it's false, I need all this again. False. Need another branch. I need this. Just need this. What is this even? Is equal to equals. This would be second, third level. And then this would be 754 negative 616. I need to get this location. Compile. I need this location right here. So I could take this. This is by far not the way to do this, by the way. $83.41. 834. Okay, cool. That's close enough, I guess. And then 507. 507 negative 507 to be exact. And this will make it 32. Go with this. And then I want this back. Okay. Everything should be fine. Now it should just work, to be honest. I don't see why it wouldn't. Boom. I make it through the level. Eventually, slowly but surely. I don't have to worry about dying. Ooh. I don't like that. And boom. I can't come this way. Okay. In a row here. Just moving around freely. Okay. This is the start of the throne room. Now I can just decorate the throne room and not have to worry about it not going. You know what I mean? So we're cool with that. We love that. Now, the throne room. I don't really know how I want it to decorate. I don't mind this being underneath at all, actually. I don't really like it, I guess. But I don't like just those underneath either, you know? So maybe I put that pattern all the way through. I think that's what I do. I think I take that pattern and I put it all the way through. It's going to be one off, and I don't mind that, for now at least. Maybe zigzag it all the way down, or go back and forth with the zigzag. Should go like this. Yeah, I don't mind this. I mean, we'll see when I get onto the level, but yeah, I don't dislike that at all. It's better than a kick in the head. Okay, last roll. Last line. Okay, let's see how that actually looks though when we get there. Because it's easy to say that I like it now. So I need to work on this the movement a bit. I don't know why I'm jumping. I can't. The things don't hurt me yet. I don't hate it. Okay, we'll call that good. We'll call that good. For the floor. I do like the idea of having something like this in the middle. What's in the middle of 2174? 47. I believe. Okay. And then I don't know if fire really makes sense, but if I grabbed like this, I'd have to layer that. Do I have dark lanterns? I don't. I do kind of feel like that this should be a wall, right? Like on the left side. I don't know if this would look better. Like if I just... I don't know if this looks better or not. I do not know, Sam. I am. Did my thing... I don't know why my stream restarted. But it did. Yeah, I don't know why, but it did. Okay, doesn't really matter. I don't know if I like that, but I don't have much in the way of decorations made. I'm trying to figure out a way, like how else I want to decorate this. Because like this is fine in the middle and stuff, but... So this is about the end. Yeah, so this is the end. So I'm thinking like a throne, right? Like right here. And then a little... I guess there's... How do I get back... Functionality, how would I, like, story-wise, would I want to get back to the portal room? I mean, I can force it after... What I would probably do is after... the... Because I plan on having, like, a boss in here, right? Like, there's you fight for a bit. I think after that dies, I can force a dialogue. Right, and then after the dialogue, it takes you automatically back to Hermes' room. I guess a little portal room. I do think that is the way I want to get it done. So I don't really need another portal spot. So I just need to get like a better background for this. I do want to play around with parallax backgrounds. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Part of me also thinks that like some of these like columns should be broken like this, right? Like that, but because they and the thing they got taken over. However, I just don't know how that would look. I don't want them to look completely run down either. Like I feel like that has to be a good in between. The heck is this? That was pretty sick. I was thinking like maybe put that on the side of them, but it does not look good. It does not look good at all. I also anticipated doing what I wanted to this stream to take a little longer. So maybe we start working on a different person's level. Right? Because this is... It's right here. I could also try to make this... I could also make this longer. But there's going to be, like, enemies throughout, so I didn't want to make it too long. Because it's not really, like, not supposed to be parkour, you know what I mean? Let me... Am I able to check, like, when hit on these? Let's save this. Close for now. Like, when these are hit, I want something to happen. Like, I wanted to reset them to the... I also don't want to make it so that these aren't just boxes, but that's... Should probably do that first, I guess. But if I... The problem is these suck, right? Okay. Let's get rid of the shape. Now this, I want to add polygon. Go here. Just gonna do a rough outline of them. I don't think it needs to be perfect. Why? What's happening there? Okay, I guess we'll see how it goes at the end. Outside of this one, not bad. Okay, we'll save that. Okay, here. We want to get rid of this. Why are there two shapes on it? Add polygon. Again, we do the same thing. I originally started with one of these, and I don't know which one, like, I used most of it. Because I would just replace all of it. Here, you go outside. Let's go test these. Let's go test those. Boom. If I fall through, I fall through. No, but it also, I didn't refresh the maps. But it also didn't refresh maps. Save. Save. My win was short-lived, I think. And don't fall. Oh, Perfect. Why can't I jump, though? I guess it doesn't really matter because I'm going to be dead. Okay, cool. Now, there's a couple ways I can go about dying there, right? I think I want to do when I collide with that, instant teleport back, right? Like, it's just a teleport. I mean, I don't know. I think teleport's probably the better way to go about it. Or, I don't really know the other option. I mean, I take damage points till I die. Alright, I guess what I could do is, when touching those, however how much health I have, I just instantly lose it. Right? I just instantly set my health to 0. And then that way... well, actually, I do need to see something. It should be fine. And then that way... I have the when death, you know? Like, I can just always do whenever I die. I'm also thinking I might... This is what I want to change. Okay, yeah, cool. I just can't move, though. Like, as soon as I touch these, I'm done. Because I'm, like, caught in between the spikes. Which is fine. Again, I'm gonna... But I wouldn't be mad about, like, hitting these and then be able to move. I also want to be able to move when I jump. Like, jump and then start going. I want that to be a thing. So I also want to change that. Let's try messing with that now. Not the enemy. No, you go away. Where am I at? Main character. Okay. This. I want to be able to move. I just don't want the sprite to play. Is that possible? I guess I could just do it the same way. I don't know. Let's just play around here for a second. Because it is based off my side-to-side movement, how much, like, the air distance I get. So I don't hate that. I need to organize these. So I don't hate that. This shall be good. I guess let me see if I can save in the room. So I think this just boop. Yeah. I gotta fix that at some point too. I gotta figure out that logic. But if I save inside the room, I don't want to be stuck. I guess I can make it so you don't save. Like, you can't, like, you have no moment to save after the monster dies. Oh, come on. Oh. That's annoying. So there's no way to save it till the monster dies. Because in my head, if I do it to only happen after the monster dies. No. Oh, okay. If I do it to only happen when after the monster dies. Easy. Okay. Then I'm kind of... Pretty cool. I can make it so I could jump onto that. But I don't really need to. Save game. Load game. Yeah, I'm in here. Okay, cool. And this door doesn't work to go back. Okay. That should be fine. How does this color palette look? Because this is going to be the most clashing, is this character. Because these are pretty close to the same colors that I chose. Don't fall. Okay, cool. Do I just do a constant tick on like... Yeah, this looks like she belongs. I mean, again, these sprites are going to change, but okay. This decoration will change. Let me see. Let me look at some parallax. Okay. Where would Hermes' thing be? Like, where would his mainstay? Like, Poseidon's bottom of the ocean, right? Zeus, top of a big mountain. Hephaestus in a volcano. Ares in some kind of fiery place, like a battlefield on fire. Athena in a library. Where would a Hermes be? You know? Should we see what AI says? Fun fact, Hermes is a actual thing, so that's... What is this? Dude, I don't know my... Yeah, okay. If Hermes, the Greek god, had a headquarters in Shanghai. I guess maybe it'd be on Olympus, right? It says, in ancient Greek mythology, Hermes, the messenger god, and the divine herald did not have a specific headquarters like modern organizations. Okay. However, if we were to imagine a symbolic and mythical location associated with Hermes, it might be situated at the crossroads. Keep in mind the Greek mythology where gods are not necessarily confined to physical locations like mortals. Modern concepts and ancient gods are often associated with specific realms, activities, or symbols rather than fixed. Yes, I know. I'm trying to think of the realm that he would be. I agree. I could. Yes, yeah, that's right. I keep going back and forth because of that, like that kind of idea. I could get something made here. I'm gonna paint. Paint. Right. I could get something like some artwork made that has like different paths, right? Like all meeting, right? And that would be the background image of the room that we're in, right? And like a bunch of different things meeting in some like Greek art style building. I know that's not how this looks right now, right? But that would just be the background. The background wouldn't change. So maybe I have that for the... I guess I don't have to necessarily... Let me see something. Because can I just aim? Not to this. What if I did this? What's happening here? Okay. Like instead, what if I didn't set anything? You know what I mean? Image plate. Oh, that's just automatically going to setting the. Is there an invisible material? Is that a thing? Where is? If there's an invisible material, that'd be great. BPA maybe. Game instance. Invisible material, Unreal Engine. I guess here's what I can do. Materials, right click, material, invis. And this, what if, hear me out, unlit, right, whatever, and I just made it invisible. I just want. Okay. How do I set it? Why is it like this? Like I want this. Honestly, I think that does it. I don't know this for sure. But the normal one, if I just had it in Viz, right? Like default in Viz. I don't know if this will work. Okay. I don't remember which one I have it on. I feel like this is the one that's supposed to do it. Oh, I didn't even set it for default then. I'm so sorry. Listen, there's a lot of things wrong with me. Okay. Open level blueprint. Right, and I just... where's that at? Here it is. Right, nice. Invis. Compile. Level. That's all right. Yeah, I think I've been learning it for a couple weeks. That's what I've been trying to do. Sorry, I had a bunch of stuff open over the chats, so I didn't see your message. I apologize. I'm trying to get this thing to be right. Boom. Nothing's there. We love that. Except for it could just be nothing, right? Like, I don't know. But I do want, so I want that to be how it looks. Right? Not necessarily, but that's how it should have looked with what I did. Because the only thing I've set is the opacity on it. So I should be fine with just doing it that. Underwater for now, until I get something else. And I'm tempted to put like parallax on it. I think. Because if I put parallax on, I don't see it. It's tough for me because part of me wants parallax on it, right? Like all the way like throughout the whole thing. The other part of me really would prefer, like, I think in the throne rooms it might make sense to have, no, because I could just put like bricks and stuff like that. You know what I mean? Like I could theoretically just like decorate the whole thing. Like this. Like I could decorate this whole thing. Right? And then have when I'm on the level. Or vice versa. I really don't know which one I think is going to look better. Do not need to fix this. So, I wish, can I just like color over this? Is that a thing? Because if that is a thing, that would be fantastic. Like this. I just want to color over it. Ooh. Okay, hear me out. Hear me out. I'd make a different layer. For each door. Like, realistically, what's to stop me from doing that, right? So if I just add a layer, right? I put this door. Do I already have? Oh, I have a third layer. Hey. Okay, so layer 3. I think I want this one all the way down. Like, what's stopping me from just... How do I make this yellow? Like, I don't want green, I want yellow. Like, should I just want yellow? Is there a way for that? I don't think I'm gonna be able to get yellow. So here, at best I can get... But I could do that for that. I just have a green door. Okay, let's save this. I just want to see if I still walk in front of it. Like, am I still in front? I mean, you know, there are worse options than this. But how do I get that to be... Oh, I want a different color. I want yellow. I just want straight up yellow. But I don't think I can get that. What if I made it green. Okay, boom. I shift. I take it. Okay. I go boom. Right? And then I need to make a new layer actually. Go new layer. I make no. Why can't I? Boom. Go here. Okay. What is going on here? Okay, I'm just messing everything up. Never mind. You could just go like, just delete that layer. What layer is this? Delete that layer. Eraser. Get rid of this. Okay. That's just not how I was working. I'm just answering messages really quick. Okay. I really wish I can, I mean, I don't know how to get this a different color. I guess it's just gonna have to be that for now until I go into Photoshop and take the time to do it. You know what I mean? Like, I think that would be the only way of going about it. I guess I can add a material to it. Anything wants to stop me from, you know? Oh, I could very well. What's happening here? Okay, have that backwards. That was backwards. I guess I could. With this change, here, let me see something. I think that's just for everything, though. I don't think that goes for. Like, I don't think I can make that per layer. I mean, that'd be nice, but. Right? What if I did this hue shift? Why is it just not happening? Yeah, it's just not gonna work. That's just not gonna work. I just don't really. Okay, so let's play. I feel like I haven't gotten anything done since fixing or doing the door. Because I just don't want to. Like, I need icons on them, right? So, like, this would be Poseidon door, right? Cool. Takes me there. All this. This level looks fine. I don't fall out. I need to fix that pivot thing. I have no idea how. Okay. Collision. Let's see. On component. I guess it wouldn't be another actor though, it would be because if I did just the on component begin overlap, it would just always be going. And so why does this not work? I guess I add a hitbox. That's actually perfect for me. That's what I want. Every time I'm vertical. That doesn't really help me. I know how to tilt right because I would basically just do. I would do. Oh, I do it in the map? Right, because I know I could just do. I get an event tick, right? It'd be on collision. On collision. I just don't know how to spell collision. That's not what I want. Collision. Trace channel test. I need it to be an event. Because I can make so event custom hit spikes. It's like I would just if it hit the spikes, right? I would need teleport. I just need this. Set player position. Get player pawn. Position. Location. There's a location, right? Set actor location. Right now I'd click teleport. Actually I wouldn't need this. Right, and I'd set it to the beginning of the map. Right, which is somewhere. Which is oh my god. Which is here. 782 5 negative 5 782 negative 5 782 negative 540, right? That's where I'd set it. And this would be it. That's all I would need, right? Except this event needs called when I touch a spike, right? Okay. So I think this is what's happening here. But I don't want the other actor equal to something. It's not another actor, though, is the problem. So... the hell is this? Okay. On component collision overlap. See, I want a certain object component overlap. How would I put... could do hitbox. That's not really what I want, though. How do I give spikes? Theoretically, what I could do is... I get the location of the spikes. I say, hey, if I touch that, I'm night sleepy by. Right? That's what I could do. And it'll just be on an event tick, stuff like that. You know what I mean? But I think there's a better way to do it. I think I can set... like these. There's no way I can't set... haircuts. I just want collision to happen. Let me go to the actual tile set, I guess. Okay, business is done. I'm done with this. Done with this. Tile set. You. Collision data. Got the shave. But can I get... can I get what I need? Okay. How to teleport if step on certain tile on the rail engine. Don't need to check. Okay, so I don't know if this is gonna be a today being done kind of thing. To be honest, which is fine. I can do other things. Do I? Kind of want to mess around with this some more. I feel like I can make this. I don't really care to like challenge or not, right? Mostly because like there's gonna be enemies and stuff like that, which will add to each little mini fight. Say it takes 30 seconds. All right, you go smack, 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 or I guess a hit. I don't really know. 30 seconds to kill. For having 9 small enemies, right? And then when you get here, there's a larger enemy waiting, and then when you go in the room, another larger enemy, like a larger than this one enemy. I think that's how I wanted to get it done. You know? Can I just play on this? Okay, if I click play, does it take me there? No. I mean, I'm invisible, but... Uh-oh. Okay. So that didn't necessarily work. Wasn't bad, though. That's pretty funny. Okay, let's do some organizing. Movement. Inputs. I don't even know if that's really... Move here. Okay. Boop. Boop. Okay. Now. Should be fine with the rest of those. See, I can put these backgrounds here. Like I'd have... kind of like this is the background kind of thing. Of an underwater level. You know? Would it look good? I don't know. I don't think it'd fit the color scheme, to be honest. You know? Then I have to like shift it down here. Which is kind of why I don't want to do the thing. Like why I don't want to, you know what I mean? I have all these still. I'm thinking when I make, so... I need to plan out another level for someone. Because I don't want them all to be the same. Like this, just recolored. I don't want that, right? I want them all to, like, have... They'll all be similar, right? Like, these will be the main components, you know, the whole up ramp, down ramp, jump, spikes, all that, you know. All the kit and caboodle of that. But I can't do that yet. Oh, that's pretty long. It's pretty chill. Big fan. Big fan. Now, I have this all good. This hasn't changed. I could try to figure out the moving the wrong spot. You know what I mean? Like moving to the other place. Like why it's not putting me. I'll just demonstrate it. Because this makes no sense to me. Save. New journey. I should pop back down in the same spot. There's no reason I'm not. Because if I save game, right? I'm playing the loaded game. I go back to the same spot. Which makes zero sense to me. Whatsoever. Because there's nothing that's setting it. Oh, actually. There might be. Because I have it. Oh, I actually do know why. It's in this. It's this. Because I have it for if it's a new game, it doesn't move me on that level. I think what I need to do is when I walk out that door, I need to make it so that I need to set new game to false. Well, as soon as I walk through that door. Instead of waiting till it saves. How does that work? I think that's what I need to do though. As soon as I walk out this door, I need it to not... Like right here. I think this fixes it. I'm not gonna lie, I think that's literally all I need to do. But I don't know if that messes anything else up. New journey. Boom, boom. Oh, because I was having it. Okay, let's see something really quick. Save game. It might break the load game. I'm not gonna lie to you. No, maybe not. Oh. I was having it so that every time I started a new game, it would trigger saying like, hey, you want to start here, right? But then as soon as I progressed, so whenever I would progress and like, say I went through 3 of the levels before saving and then came back, it would just automatically start me in this spot every single time because I haven't saved to change it to not a new game. Which is why I could have saved game and then go into a thing, come back out, and it would work. It's purely because I had that new game, Boolean. That's it. I also kind of want to be able to see all these on... Nah, I don't want the necklace. That makes so much more sense on why it was bugging. I come back in. I'm just right at that door. Because It doesn't make sense for me to not be at that door. I guess I haven't tried. I mean, I'm sure I have, but not since I fixed some stuff. Let me go like right here. We save, we quit. Load. That's not the right save. Load. Okay, cool. That makes it so much easier. I could put the same tile map. I'm stuck on those. Okay. I could set the same tile map to to other levels and just get all the doors working. But I don't want to have to delete the tile map and change the numbers on all of them. You know what I mean? So let's not do that. Okay. So we have that going. I could get rid of these testing maps, but they're decent to help me out on. As I don't need these testing maps anymore, is the thing. Everything, I mean, I can use them to fight enemies, I guess. Like when I'm trying to figure that out. You know what I mean? Okay. Hold on, I just gotta answer somebody back really quick. Actually, I'm gonna put the Be Right Back screen up for a second. All right. Sorry. Okay. So this is the tile map for Hermes' room, which is fine for now. I just need to get that door done. Doesn't really fit Hermes though. Right, like he wouldn't really have. I can see him being just a grass kind of guy. Oh, these are significantly smaller. Interesting. Is that gonna... I don't... Okay, that's not gonna work out. I did not realize those were 16 by 16. Let's go with this. How big are these? Okay, cool. Not really helpful though. Ice, swamp. Do you pretend like this is 16 by 16 too? Hello? What's this? 16 by 16. It doesn't even matter. I can change. What happens if I do this? No, because that's going to actually mess everything up. That would actually mess everything up. Everything would get squished. Or like get cut off. I just gotta get 32 by 32 tile sets. So this is how it's gonna have to be for now. Okay, so we got this fixed. This, I move as good as I can. What's going on here? Nothing. That does nothing for me. I think that would just be trying to get locations. Okay. None of these doors work. Let's go through it one more time. Oh, okay, you guys, one second, I'm gonna have to dog out. Okay, you guys might hear the dog whimpering and whining. It's dog wanted to sit on my lap, so it's chilling on my lap and it's maneuvering. And it's squirmy. It's a little chihuahua. Okay. Now, let's go all the way through. I don't know how to fix those tears. Yeah, big yawns, buddy. I don't know how to fix the tears that just like right there. There is a way, I believe. I don't know what it's. I think it's in textures. Most of it's this. So I did that, right? Maybe I don't really know. But there's a way I'm supposed to be able to do that to make it so it stops tearing, but I don't know off the top of my head right now. Okay, what I want to do is I want to start with the Zeus thing. I just want to get it started. So let's go ahead and here. level. Oh, no, not load new level. Delete. New folder. Zeus levels. Go here. Level. Zeus path. New level. Zeus throne. Tile map. Zeus path tile path TM Zeus throne TM. Okay. Now, I want to be able to I can't really make here. So I do want it to be the same length as the Poseidon tile map. So 286 and 30. Right, cool. So 286 30. Okay. Now I know it has to be. Let me grab. These are all not 32 by 32, so I just. That's. How big is this one? Again, that's a 16 by 16. 16 by 16. What's this? Again. It's not great. Okay. I just don't have another 32 by 32. I guess it is, but that's not really right. What about this? Again, not 32 by 32. This is the only... I guess what I can do is I can go through, place them, and then change the color. Let's kind of go about it that way. I can go to this. And progress is nice. Okay, so I usually, so what's this? 21. So let me go to 20, 21, 21 and place a block. Because I'm gonna have, okay. I just want to see if this is gonna work. What if I change the layer color to, like, I want it to kind of be cloudy, right? So this isn't gonna, I mean, I guess it really doesn't matter what I change it to, right? Because these aren't gonna stay as soon as I get more cloud tiles. Because in my head, the Zeus one's just straight up gonna be, we're walking on clouds. That's what's going to be happening. Nothing more, nothing less. Right? So, but until then, I'm not even going to fill out the bottom of it. We're just purely going to focus on getting the door to work. That's it. That is it. Nothing more, nothing less. Okay. The door. I want this one. Need to see if that's 21. 22 is going to have something, and then door here. That just does not look good, but that's not my problem right now. Add a new one. Boom. Boom. Why is that not getting replaced? Oh, because I don't have that layer color changed. I don't hate that. Like, this might end up being a color pattern for one of them. Okay. Now, these, I just want to work in layer 1 for the rest of it now. One, two, one, one, two, one. Okay, now let me go grab this, bum, 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 going all the way up. Okay, all I need is this to work. So I need to go to Hermes level. Save selected. I need this. Pose, you gotta stop looking at me, buddy. We're going here is almost dead center. I'm gonna say 1393 and negative 660. Blueprint. Okay, we need to do a test here, like when you do another branch, right? So boop, boop. Okay. Hey, bud. I just need one of these. Grab this, go here. False, we need another branch. This is true. Pose, you gotta stop looking at me, bud. Equals whatever the heck I just said it was. This would be 32. 320 is not what I want. 1393 and negative 660. 1393, negative 660. 1393, negative 660. Compile. This should just straight up work. Have no problems, no hitches. Do you want to still spawn in the middle though? Okay, this is the moment. What are the odds? Play, 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 walk. Okay, the answer is no. The answer is we suck. Hermes. Oh, I don't have a begin play on anything. Oh, I also didn't click the open the level thing. There's so much I didn't do there. Okay, boom, boom, blueprint. Yeah, see this, we'd want to go to Zeus path, easy. Set the player location, that'll be in a second. I don't think I need my own. No, 660k, 1393 with 32. Now what I need is to steal from Poseidon. Poseidon levels. That's teleporting back. I need this. Just this. This is all I need. Zeus path. Open a little blueprint. Okay. Don't see anything wrong. Oh, I am gonna need to. No, we should be fine. This should be okay. Actually, what I should do... I need to place an... Oh, I don't even have the tile map there. I did nothing. I did jack all with what I was actually supposed to do before doing this. Place actor, player start. This is just all kinds of ugly, but it's fine. Go down, 750. 750, negative 560. 750, negative 560. 750, negative 560. 750, negative 560. I guess it's probably the same. Close. 750. Why is that different? Negative 560. This should not be different. Why is that different? That's not my problem right now. And click. Click. Okay, no. That's a negative. Okay, why is it not working? Hermes level. What's going on here? Unless my spot is wrong here. That's the... Why would these Z's be different? The Z's should not be different. That's what's happening. There's no reason for the Z's to be different. They're on the same height. So I think when I was measuring, I was getting the capsule height. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, when I was getting the capsule height, it was putting it, and I can't move back further that way. Cool. I was getting the capsule like location. It was putting it on the other height. You know what I mean? Like it was giving like the middle of it, the capsule, instead of the bottom floor, which I needed the bottom floor because that capsule height is different than the other one, like than the one that's actually around my character. Pose, buddy, you gotta stop moving. So that's what was happening. Which, whatever, but we figured it out. We figured it out. Okay, right, Poe Butt? Right. So we got that to... I guess I should get to go back. Let the dog move. The dog's moving too much though in my lap. If it wants to sit in my lap, it just has to sit in my lap. You know? Okay. But then it's going to fall asleep on my arm, and then I can't move my arm, and then I feel like a jerk, and it's just not... It's a tough situation. Now, I want to be able to go back to Hermes. So now we take this. I want to go back to that door. And that's it. They sit still sometimes. When I ask them to, they sit still. Okay. We go blueprint. Basically this, except I don't need the bottom half. Not yet. So if I just jointed this. Control C. Just a quick yoink. Bone shock lock. These numbers are different. I just had these numbers. Doesn't matter. I can. About 750, negative 560. 750, negative 560. 750. Negative 560. That's also probably negative 540, but we'll run that. Yeah, those might as well. It's definitely negative 540, but Do I want... Yeah, screw it. We'll run it that way. This is different. This 720 is right. This is wrong. What number did I just have? I really wish I could have multiple of these open. 1393. 1393. 1393. 1393. Cool. Compile. Now, I should be able to go back to Hermes' thing from that. Should be able to go bop, bop, cool, bop. I don't like that I'm falling. Bop. Hello? Yeah, it's not 540. It's teleporting me to 540. No, I should be lower. I needed to teleport me lower. How low? We're gonna find out here directly. How do I... do want to go lower. I think. Let's go negative 580. Okay, buddy, you're just laying in the worst possible position. Stop it. Stop. I am falling into it now, which feels weird. Okay. Zeus level, Zeus path. Shouldn't have to jump to hit it. Negative 600. I don't see why it's not 660, but it's not my problem right now. Oh. Okay. It has to be 660. That's for sure the number. And I don't know why it's not. Like why I didn't put that. Should have trusted myself. That is really... okay, it's good enough. I have to jump all the way back here. Hooah. Here. Okay, I messed something up. Oh, no, the Hermes one is the one I needed. Oopsies. Okay, so here's what I need to do. This will be negative 660, sure. Guess that'll tell me. But then Zeus. There's a non-zero chance Sean's just like has the stuff on, so he's not reading messages like he has. Why is that? Oh, okay, that's for sure not it. So 600. Let's go with that. And then we gotta do the But why is... Hold on. No. No, 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 no. This thing's not working very well. I'm not sure why. Let's go 1380. Let's see if that works out a little bit better. What? Why was I so high? Hermes. Did I not put a negative? Yeah, but I did put a negative. Okay. That's fine. Dash fine. Okay, that's good enough, I guess. It's not perfect. And I have such a... How do I get back? Okay. Zeus level. Zeus path. Open level blueprint. It's not negative 660. Let's go with 600. How about that, buddy? I don't like that. Just boop, boop, boop. Quit drop. This is what's gonna happen here. Welcome, Shawnee Wine. Event tick. Get player. Get pawn. Get pawn. Player location. Location. But you gotta stop moving. Connect to location. Print string. We're gonna get this damn near exact. On both ends too, actually. Okay, but yeah, you're falling underneath the desk. How you feel about that? Okay. Boop, boop, boop. You're gonna see a lot of stuff on the side. Okay, 625. Cool. Cool. 625. Why is that different than Poseidon's? I don't know. I do not know. Now let me get rid of this print statement because I don't want it there. Go F yourself. This thing. Bop, 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 bop. Easy peasy. Easy frickin' peasy. Let's see if I can save in here. Save game. I can't imagine I can't. Yeah, okay, cool. Leroy! Then we fall to our death forever. Okay. Now I just gotta actually get the tiles. I think I can just get cloud tiles and just have him walk on them, to be honest with you. I think that's gonna be the move. And then from there, go make his whole thing. Call that good. I'm trying to think what else I need to do for him. Or for the... So, I need... I don't know, it's tough for me to say what's going to happen on Wednesday's stream because I don't know what I need to... Like, what I'll get done tomorrow or even tonight. Who knows? Alright. Hermes Portal Room works. I do want to get these. Maybe that's be my goal next stream is to get these all colorized, or before next stream is to get these all looking cute, kind of thing. This will probably get figured out how to make it so when I step on this, I quote unquote die and I just teleport back to the start of the level. Need to pivot the thing. Join Discord so you guys don't miss the progress. I could stream it to you privately. Actually, I don't know if this works. It does. Oh, I didn't update the goals of the chat either, or of the day. It's going to say something different. Either move between and save between levels, or work on hitbox and damage, or something else. I don't know. Yeah, that's what I did last time. I did the move between levels and save between them. That's what I did all last time. And it got just exploded after that. But I'm going to call it for the night. Wednesday, 6 o'clock, probably the last one. Get off my Schmeat, Miller. Thank you guys for coming out. I appreciate it. I will see you guys Wednesday.